Welcome back to IPR Uncovered. IP as shown in Shark Tank India. Today, we are talking about a brand that wasn't just about fun, it was about learning with a whole lot of protection. We are talking about Imagimake. The pitch, creativity in a box. The founders of Imagimake, Vivek and Somil, stepped into the tank with a pitch that promised to revolutionize the educational toy market. Their brand offers a wide range of educational toys and DIY kits with proprietary designs. They are the creators of popular product lines like Mapology, which includes Puzzles of India and the World, and other art and craft kits. They were selling a solution that engaged children's minds while helping them learn. The founders' pitch focused on their unique designs, their commitment to providing high-quality, safe, and engaging toys, and their strong presence in the market. They were selling a product that was not only educational but also a source of joy and creativity. The ask? A confident 75 lakhs rupees for 1% equity, valuing the company at a staggering 75 crores rupees. This high valuation was a testament to their belief in the brand's unique intellectual property and its potential to disrupt the massive educational toy market. IPR Uncovered, the Design Fortress. Now, let's get to the most crucial part of this analysis, their intellectual property. For a company like Imagimake, which relies on proprietary designs, IP is its most valuable asset. The founders were very clear that they had a strong IP portfolio, including trademarks and copyrights. The core of their IP is their unique proprietary designs. This is protected by copyright, which gives Imagimake the exclusive right to reproduce, distribute, and display their creative works. This prevents competitors from copying their unique puzzles, art kits, and other designs. This is a crucial defensible moat that justifies their valuation and gives the sharks confidence that they're investing in a unique, protected brand, not just a product that could be easily replicated. Additionally, their brand name, Imagimake, and their product lines, like Mapology, are protected by trademarks. This prevents brand confusion in the market and ensures that customers can easily identify their products. The combination of strong copyrights and trademarks shows that the founders are not just building a product, but a valuable, defensible brand. The outcome? A sweet deal. Imagimake's pitch was a huge success. The founders impressed the sharks with their innovative products and strong IP. After a bidding war with multiple sharks, they secured a deal with Aman Gupta and Peyush Bansal. The final deal was 75 lakhs rupees for 2% equity with a 1% advisory equity. While the equity was slightly higher than their initial ask, it was a fantastic outcome for the founders. It valued the company at a still impressive 37.5 crores rupees. This deal solidified Imagimake's position as a major player in the educational toy space and gave them the funding and mentorship to scale their operations. Closing note. The story of Imagimake is a great example of how a truly innovative product, backed by strong intellectual property, can impress even the most discerning investors. It shows that in a crowded market, copyrights and trademarks can be the key to unlocking a profitable and defensible business. What did you think of the Imagimake pitch? Did the sharks make a smart investment? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might be interested in the future of IPR. Because in a world full of ideas, the real game is in owning and protecting them. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay smart, and see you in the next video.